At SkyGrid, the most critical function for us is to be able to ensure safe and secure drone operations in the national and global airspace. A big part of that is cybersecurity. So teaming up with Spark Cognition, we've been able to bring cybersecurity to the edge and protect drones from malicious attacks.
The unique combination of Spark Cognition's world-class AI-powered endpoint protection running on the SkyGrid platform, protecting the drones at the endpoints in even potentially unconnected environments is a vision into the future.
The Deep Armor product is unique in how it classifies threats. It uses sophisticated AI models to analyze thousands of characteristics of payloads in memory or permanent storage. As a result, the Deep Armor product does not need prior knowledge of a specific threat to make a classification, and has been very successful at catching advanced zero-day threats. In order to deploy the world's first active cyber protection system for drones, we started by making the Deep Armor product engine so lightweight and high performance, it could run right at the edge, on the drones themselves, even those with limited processing power. Using SkyGrid, we simulated normal operations by creating a flight route and having the drone carry out its mission. While in flight, we simulated a cyber attack by establishing a remote connection to the drone and trying to inject a malicious payload. As the Deep Armor product autonomously protects the aircraft, it monitors all payloads and processes. If any of these are determined to be malicious, the payload is intercepted, encrypted, automatically quarantined, and moved to a secure location where it cannot run, but is available for post-flight forensics.
We imagine a universe where you have hundreds of thousands, potentially millions of drones, all being managed with the SkyGrid platform, managed within specific missions, by region, by enterprise, fully protected with Deep Armor.
So this is a significant step forward for the UAV community, and we're very excited with what lies ahead.